Welcome to Brain Nurture. Indian wild forest and national parks are home to many species of wild animals, birds and reptiles. More than 25% land of Indian states are covered with dense forest and provide shelter to wildlife. What is the biggest animal in India? The Great Indian Elephant is the biggest and tallest herbivore wild animal in India. In this video, we will be talking about the top 10 wild animals of India. 1. Bengal Tiger. Its name is Panthera tigris tigris. It is found in the Indian subcontinent. Bengal is the second largest species of wild cat, after the Siberian tiger, and also the national animal of India. It is listed as an endangered mammal. 2. Indian elephant. Its name is Elephas maximus indicus. It is also listed as endangered and threatened by habitat loss and degradation. They are found in South India, grasslands, evergreen and semi-evergreen forests. 3. Indian Rhinoceros. Its name is Rhinoceros unicornis. It is found in the Indian subcontinent, primarily in northeastern states of India. 4. Asiatic Lion. Its name is Panthera leo persica. It is one of the 5 big cats found in India. Today it survives only in the Gaur National Park of Gujarat and the Wild Forest of Junagadh. 5. Indian Leopard. Its name is Panthera pardus fusca. It is known for its ability of climbing the trees and is a powerful swimmer. 6. Sloth Bear. Its name is Melursus ursinus. It is native to the Indian subcontinent and listed as vulnerable. 7. Wild water buffalo. Its name is Bubulus arni. It is endangered and lives only in a small number of protected areas stretching across Nepal and Bhutan. 8. Ghudkhur, Indian wild ass. Its name is Equus hemionus cur. It is only found in the dry land of Little Rann of Kutch, in Gujarat. 9. Gaur, Indian bison. Its name is Bos gaurus. The gaur is the tallest of wild cattle species and has been listed as vulnerable. 10. Nilgai, blue bull. Its name is Bosolophus tragocamelus. Nilgai is a diurnal creature, meaning it is active in the daytime. It is found inhabiting Indian grasslands and low hills with shrubs of India. Do you know of any other wild animals found in India, which you would like us to talk about? Comment below. Thank you for watching.